inches. I hit it!
You hit it.
Ah!
Well, we're tearing up this bathroom.
Tearing out the bathroom. Hey, tell me what happened on your shirt. You look like you've been in a fight.
I got bloody.
Bloody nose. And take your glasses off. Show your nose. Woo! Look at that rug burn. Lincoln crashed when we were playing today and tipped over a car and scraped his nose and got a bad bloody nose, huh?
But I'm gonna bang that really hard.
You gonna bang the tub really hard?
Yeah, because we're going to tear up this bathroom.
Yeah.
It's nasty. But not that. But not this.
The toilet? We are gonna take the toilet out.
But see that? We got that new.
That's okay. So this might look familiar, and that's because not that long ago, if you go past the linen closet right here, here's the bathroom we redid just a few months ago. I'll link that video up in the top corner so you can watch those videos if you're interested to see how we did this. And the weird thing about it is that it's right next door to that bathroom. They're back to back and they're mirror images of each other. When we were first walking through the house, we came down here and went into this bathroom. And when we were in there, we could hear people talking and we could not figure out where it was coming from. And then we realized that there was a second bathroom right next door. It's a little goofy, but we're really excited to have our second bathroom done.
Okay, you guys tell me, do you want to take out this first, or do you want to take, oops, sorry, do you want to take out that first?
That. Yeah.
Link's up first. I'm going to put this down. We're going to try and catch some of these tiles.
We're replacing this tub, right?
Yeah.
Awesome.
This wall is leaking. There's water damage all around here. The right way.
Bang that really hard.
Bang it really hard.
Here. And will you, whoa, Link, let's get close up on this.
Don't hit yourself.
Okay.
Especially not in the
Your
face.
poor nose can't take any more. Hey Link, see if you can knock that off.
The soap thing.
Oh, hey, wait a second. You chipped it right there.
Good job, bud.
Okay, see if you can knock that.
Whoa.
See if you can knock that down, yeah.
Oh man, I don't know if she's... Yikes.
Okay, hit it softer so it doesn't explode. Okay, Link, you got 2 more hits. Make them count.
It's way better.
5, 6.
Link! Good shit. Okay, Sawyer's turn.
Roger.
Link.
Stop hitting.
Roger. And I
Nice work.
Yeah, a bunch of more rooms.
That was some good breaking. Let's see what Sawyer can do now.
Stand back, Lincoln.
I'm trying to bang.
Here, you want to try this one?
Sure. Actually, it's too heavy.
Yeah, let's
Just try and hit it once.
swing it.
This is bigger. I need that one here. We're just pulling it down.
Ready to give Sawyer 3 more hits. 1, 2, 3. Bang!
Alright.
Cheater. Why don't you try to knock off that door? You need to hit down.
Okay.
So close, bud.
You can try it that way. Here, come here. Just hit it off the hinges like that.
That's too heavy.
Watch this.
Still heavy. Like it's working. Okay. Again, Dad, again.
it was like stuck on.
There it goes.
It's that one drain connection I couldn't ever get out. It's holding us.
Oh, gross.
It stinks.
Oh my gosh. Ooh, that stinks. Holy crap, that is so smelly. Ooh, I saw a spark that time.
Me too, I saw sparkle there.
Yeah.
Woo! This feels bad. Cool.
Your arms are gonna be strong. This is good. Whoa.
Whoa.
Do you see that one?
Yeah. And how did I add that?
Yeah.
Whoa, Lee, good job.
I'll hold it. Okay, swing. Watch your fingers. Swing. Swing. Nice, Link. Now down low. Swing.
Good
Swing.
job, bud.
Swing. There you go.
Woo. What time is it? It's bedtime, huh?
Bedtime.
Oh no.
You got 3 more hits.
No, I'm not going to destroy that.
Tomorrow.
Okay. Can I finish that with
Hey. 1, 2, 3. Knockout! How many barrels?
Perfect.
I wonder how much this toilet weighs.
I don't know. Is it pretty heavy?
Yeah, it's pretty heavy. Gotta figure out how to. It's my best handholds to carry this sucker. Ugh. Lincoln door. This is really heavy. Smart to be doing it in flip flops.
Did you just punch a hole through that wall?
Oh yeah, it did. But it doesn't matter if it did damage right there because I gotta replace all that anyway.
Only that wall?
Only that wall.
Sawyer and Lincoln have always loved working with Travis, but they especially love demolition. Whenever we're getting ready to tear something out, they're the first ones there ready to work. Sometimes they even do demolition when they're not supposed to. Oh my!
2. That
Laundry room!
Oh yeah. Laundry.
open.
Yeah. Hey guys, where's your guys' safety glasses?
Hi, we need help.
I need some.
Oh, here, John.
So mainly I need your help in just steadying this so that it doesn't tip into a wall or something. But if it starts to tip, just let it. You don't get in the way of it.
Okay.
This thing will squish you. Am I clear to make the turn?
Yes. Yes. This bathtub was cast iron and seriously ridiculous to move. It was so heavy.
Okay, so this is the hardest part, is the whole deal. And I don't really think me and you are going to be able to do this. You want to try? Sure. So you just start lifting, don't hurt your back. 1, 2, 3. Did it help you?
That made it worse.
I think that was the biggest step.
I think it just touched the spider web.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Should I yell or do you like it when I don't yell?
If you drop this on me, it is landing right in my lap.
Okay, 2, 3. Yeah!
Is that cool, Max? Yeah. Do you want me to get out there and help?
No, I think I did all that. So I'm going to have to lift this and probably you're going to have to right forward.
Okay.